Vielen Dank, Jan Delay aus Hamburg.
And now, from Jan to Jon, he is the most important person of the night, master of numbers, data and rules, the new executive supervisor of the Eurovision Song Contest, Jon Ola Sand. How is everything right now?
Everything is good, Anke. It's a great show. I have the jury results here, and we are now counting and converting the televotes into points. But because the viewers have voted in such huge numbers, I need a couple of more minutes. I'll get back to you as soon as we are ready. I'll get back to you.
Thank you very much, Jon Ola Sand.
The Eurovision Song Contest 2011 from Düsseldorf is reaching its climax. And in a few moments, we will come to the defining element of the contest, awarding the points, the Punktevergabe, Anke.
This is very exciting, but we do have the time for a personal question. Stefan, what were your first words as a baby?
My first words as a baby, of course, were 12 points.
12 points.
I remember that.
Yes.
I was born in Paris.
Oh, I see.
Yes, that was my name.
That is something that you will be hearing in a couple of minutes. 12 points. And you know what? Everybody is excited now. The people in Düsseldorf, the people at home, Judith, Stefan and me, and of course, the artists. They are very excited. And you know what? Because this is television, we want to share this excitement with you. Judith is in the green room right now, where all the trembling artists are waiting for the Punktevergabe. And there's only a small, inconspicuous wall, a little tiny door that is separating us from the green room right there. And you know what we are going to do right now so that we can have a glimpse? I cannot go there.
You cannot go there?
No, my shoes.
It's too dangerous with your shoes?
It's too dangerous. Yes.
May I help you?
Yes, please.
Okay, come on. Do it like this. Okay.
In a couple of seconds, we are going to share the green room experience with you. So I'm asking Judith, Mrs. Rakers, open this gate.
Mrs. Rakers, tear down this wall.
Dear friends, now we are finally united. No more walls left. Let's watch together.